Good morning, friends, and welcome back to Pittsburgh Today Live. We are live in Brighton Heights because this weekend they are celebrating the Brighton Heights Halloween house tour, and we're getting a sneak, spooky preview, but it's not really that spooky. It's mostly fabulous. I am with Ray, who's one of the co-chairs of the Halloween house tour. Ray, what can people expect this year for the Brighton Heights house tour?
Yeah, so we have 9 properties. So we have 7 houses, and we have 2 local businesses, one of a ceramicist and then a florist. And then we'll have 1 native garden on the tour. So you get to come inside homes, see their gardens, really get a little nebby.
I know, it really does scratch that nebby factor. So we're inside one of these beautiful homes that is going to be featured on it. Here in Brighton Heights, it's a wonderful city neighborhood. There's historical homes. There's probably maybe even some spooky stories associated with these houses.
Yeah, so last year when me and my husband were planning the tour, we were doing some research and we got some kind of macabre stories. There's the marble murderer stories. Yeah, so we're like, we should really lean into like the Halloween in our neighborhood. I mean, when you walk around, people love to decorate for Halloween, so it just kind of lends itself to the neighborhood. So
right.
Should be good.
This really is it's a great walking neighborhood too, and I love hearing that businesses are involved. It's also like really the whole community.
Yeah, truly, it really is. The coffee shop down the street is going to stay open late for the day, so it should be a really good day for the entire community. And we also tether to the summer series that Allegheny City Brewery plans. So the tour is from 11 to 4 on the 4th, and then the summer series runs from 4 to 8. So it truly is like all-day event. Summer series will have food trucks, vendors, it's just a great day for the community.
Ray, I'm so happy that you brought that up. As we continue to tour through this beautiful home, I'm going to now check in with Jessica. Jess, this is so fun, and you guys have been working so hard on this. This is something that happens annually. Tell us about sort of what it's like to be a part of pulling the Halloween house tour together.
Sure. So I've been a committee member for many years, and it's always really fun because we try to highlight different houses every year, and obviously we want to show historic homes and things that have a lot of character. And I think it's nice because a lot of people in Pittsburgh live in homes like this, so they get some ideas. They can come and see how to decorate homes that they live in. You know, it's always nice to get different ideas and see how people have made it their own.
I know you've selected a perfect one for us to be in this morning. The architecture in here, so many of the original features. There's beautiful stained glass windows. There's beautiful woodwork. And this is something that people will love to see when they get inside someone's home.
Yeah, so this house is actually called Paloma, and I sold this house whenever the current owners, Jen and Joe, whenever they bought it, and they've really just done an amazing job. There's so much cool artwork and so many different collections and really unique things and finds here.
So many house owners are wonderful stewards, right, to their home, and they really, revive some of the original character or really like to highlight some of those beautiful feature items of the home.
Yeah, it's incredible. I mean, and you can see pocket doors. You've got all the original woodwork and the Dutch paneling, the ceiling medallions. She's got original plaster work that somebody actually hand did. It's just incredible. So it's really great to see.
Wonderful. So this Saturday, October 4th, is the house tour. And fortunately, I'm so glad that you brought up the delicious beverages. Ray, what is this beer that we are about to enjoy?
So Allegheny City Brewery brewed this for us. It's the Brighton Heights Halloween House Tour Lager. It's an easy sipper. Yeah. So this will be available for purchase at the summer series.
Wonderful. All right, we're going to send it back to the studio. Cheers to you guys.
Cheers.
Thank you so much for having us this morning. Heather and David, it's spooky season, and we're getting it started off right here in Brighton Heights.
You certainly are.
It's all the wood. What is it about?
Oh, it's just gorgeous.
It's a gorgeous home, but I feel like when you walk into a home and you see all that wood, you're like, this place is haunted. Like, they knew what they were doing back
all
in the day.
Detail and everything.
Yeah. No,
we also understand Steve the cat is over there, too.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Oh, that's right, because you just said sure.
Steve the cat. All right, the 19th annual Brighton Heights House Tour is happening this Saturday.
For more information and to get your tickets, just head to our website. We'll have a link for you there.
That's really what you think? Oh, this place is haunted.
Well, it just means that it's older. It's an older home because they put wood everywhere. It's gorgeous.
It's got stories to tell.
Yeah.
All right. Still to come, we are turning up the rhythm because it's Hispanic Heritage Month, and what better way to celebrate than with the heartbeat of Costa Rica. A local dance group is bringing their energy, tradition, and dazzling moves right here to our studio.
The sun is still shining, but the temps, they might be starting to dip. Ron's in next with the forecast.